Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. This video is about the future simple tense, a very important English tense, part of my course on the 12 English tenses. The first thing we need to talk about is the concept of modal verbs. The future is not expressed by changes made to the form of a verb. So with the past tense, we often add ed to the end of the verb, or we change how the verb is spelt. But with the future tense, we use the same form as the present tense. It's not changed. Instead, to express the future, we can add modal verbs such as will or may to the beginning of the verb phrase. So I would say, I will go running tomorrow. I will study next week. So the structure of the future simple is as follows. Subject, will plus main verb. She will eat cheese. They will run a marathon. I will study history. Here is the form for negative and question sentences. For negative sentences, we can say, I won't eat cheese. They will not study history. She won't travel abroad. I will not do karate. So we can say will not or won't. For question sentences, we say, will you eat cheese? Will they study history? Will she travel abroad? And will you do karate? How do we use the future simple tense? In which situation do we use it? We use the future simple tense when we have no plan, when we make a prediction, or when we use the verb to be. Let's look at all these cases. No plan. We use the future simple tense when there is no plan or decision to do something before we speak. We make the decision spontaneously at the time of speaking. I will go get my pen. I didn't have a plan to go get my pen. I decide right now. We will start the meeting. Maybe they will watch TV later. We also use the future simple tense to make a prediction about the future. Again, there is no firm plan here. We are saying what we think will happen. It will rain tomorrow. The Raptors will win the basketball game. We will eat supper at 6 o'clock. We also use the future simple tense when the main verb is to be. When the verb is be, we can use the future simple tense even if we have a firm plan or decision before speaking. I will be in London next week. She will be happy to see you. They will be angry when they get back to the office. In this image, we can see the past, present, and the future. We can say everything will be okay. This is because we're using the verb be. If we have a future intention, if we do have a plan, we're generally going to use going to. She is going to study French at college. It's more correct to say going to because she has a future intention. That means we should not use she will study French at college. We can say she's going to study French at college. The future simple is not that hard to use, so we don't have a lot of rules for this lesson. We're going to go straight into a short quiz. Will they bake the pies? I think that she will arrive in the evening. Our plane will land at 9. This is fill in the blanks. Put the verbs in the correct sentences in the future simple form. Okay, I'll tell you the answers. Number 1, we will say goodbye tomorrow morning. They learned English and they will travel to Canada. The new Prime Minister will implement the reforms. She told me that she will visit next week. I have not been told if they will acknowledge my contribution.